Today I'm going to show you how you can take a YouTube video and turn it into a quiz. So what's a good use case for this? You're an educator, you're a teacher, and you want to show a video to your class or your students and then test their comprehension of the video that you just showed them. First, we're going to download this Google Workspace add-on called GPT for Google Forms. It installs very quickly. Just hit install, choose the account that you'd like to install it for, hit continue, and allow permissions. And just like that, it's installed. Then you're just going to hop on over into Google Forms and create a new quiz. And now let's see the magic of GPT for Google Forms. Click the puzzle piece icon up here at the top right and click on the add-on and hit open. From here, you'll have several options to create quizzes, but we want to use the YouTube option. Hit that. Now I'm just going to take the URL of the YouTube video and paste it right there. It will confirm the title of the video that I'm making a quiz about. What this application does is it extracts all of the audio from the video, reads the script, and uses that as the source of truth, the context from which to create questions about. So I want to make this quiz appropriate for 11th graders. I want 10 questions with 4 answer choices per question. This last field here is to assign points to each question. We'll make it a 20-point quiz, 2 points per correct answer. I hit create quiz, and here I can preview my 10-question quiz. Give it a look-see. If you like it, hit add to form. If you don't, hit regenerate quiz, and that'll come up with a new set of questions for you to consider. I like these, so I'll hit add to form. Now I'm just going to delete this placeholder question that Google Forms put in. Note that if you decide you want to make some questions worth more than others, just click this little answer key button, and you can adjust the points, change the answer, whatever. So that's it. In just a matter of a couple minutes, we were able to create an entire quiz based off of a 48-minute long YouTube video. This tool will save you tons of time and allow you to create more engaging coursework for your students. Please enjoy.